Hi guys, so I'm here at hubby's laptop and I'm about to put the cover on the pattern for the Queen of the Castle house, and I wanted to share this special moment with you. I've been working on this pattern since 2016 and here we are now, finally finished when I place the cover. And after this I just need to check for possible errors, for any mistakes that the pattern might have, and polish it. So let's go! See? And it's done. Ah. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. I can't. So it will be out soon and I will let you know when that happens. It's finished.
Hey there, help my human make more and better videos. She'll be eager to read your suggestions in the comments. Oh, and push the like button, subscribe, and if you hit that little bell, that makes you a possum human.